I am Tess from the Philippines. I'm 62 years old. It was in early 2012 when I was initially diagnosed with fallopian tube adenocarcinoma. One cycle of treatment of chemotherapy in the Philippines. I really felt so weak, lots of nausea, and I cannot eat. The appetite is not good, and my body is really down. So when my onco in the Philippines advised me to do another cycle of chemotherapy, I was very anxious. A friend of a friend visited me at home and told me about the possibility of considering an alternative option of a treatment, finding out about FUDA Cancer Hospital from that friend. The first time I visited FUDA and talked about it, as immediately after like 1 or 2 days, I already have the treatment plan, and there we can decide how to go about it, including the cost and everything. I received a local chemo, and I discovered that my body is receiving it well. I also received a brachytherapy after the chemotherapy. So it's a combination of different treatments altogether. After the treatment in 2013, my body came back to its normal condition. I just had this immunotherapy and came here for like every quarter for the immunotherapy. And then for like a little more than 4 years, that's good. It's normal. But after pandemic, and before pandemic, because of a recurring issue, another issue in my back, which is also related to same cancer type I had in the past. So I had another session in the Philippines of chemotherapy, and then after the pandemic, I came back to FUDA, undergoing this treatment. I can do the normal life I have in the Philippines. I can take care of my plants. I can walk around. I can do my daily routine. I was handled by different doctors in the past. Okay, now it's Dr. Xing. She's very good. I can communicate every time, even in the Philippines. Through you, through SEG, I can relay all my questions, and I get feedback very fast, and that gave me hope to continue the treatment in FUDA Cancer Hospital.